Hello friends, if you are appearing for a December 2016 and onward examination of a CS executive, this video is useful to you. This video will guide you how to read the industrial, labor and the general laws for a CS executive group 2 examination. In a short, this subject is known as ILG, Industrial Labor General Law. And before you, I'm having my book which has been published by the Taxmann. Me and my co-author Jigisa Thakkar have created the very good title, a student-friendly title, which help the students to get the good marks with the reasonable effort. Let us understand how to read this book and how to get the maximum benefit out of this book. As you can see, the book is presented in a tabular form of a theory. All important points of the theory are presented in a tabular form. After the tabular form of the theory, each chapter has the MCQ for a practice. MCQ then followed by the answer, and then mock test and the past examination question papers along with the solution. So let us understand how to get the maximum out of this book. If you are appearing for a December 16 exam and the onward examination, the 4th edition is a most appropriate book for you, and it is having the amendment under the chapter of a Payment of a Bonus Act, labor law exemption from a furnishing returns and maintaining registered by the Certain Establishment Act, Apprentice Act, Employees Provident Fund Act, and Payment of a Wages Act. Now, almost all the amendments taken place during the last 1 year and applicable to the December 2016 examination are included within this book. How to read this book is again a very interesting point for students. Say for example, we are referring the Factories Act 1948. As you can see, I have created the theory or written the theory in a tabular form. This tabular form of the presentation of a theory will help you for a quick revision. So, a student are required to refer the textbook, right? The book is a best to be read in conjunction with, along with the textbook. Say for example, applicability in a short I have written here, Act is applicable to the entire India. What is a factory? So definition of the factory is given here, and by these means the entire theory has been presented. Once you go through the theory twice, because it is a MCQ. Most of the students understand that the MCQ are the easy form of the exam. It is not the easy form of an exam. MCQ, where the question is based upon the cornering point or from the very minor or nominal points. Tricky questions. Therefore, one has to refer the theory twice. And then once you go through with the theory, you are requested to refer immediately the MCQ which has been given after each chapter, right? Say for example, here I have given so many MCQs. I have not given the answer immediately because otherwise, student will refer the answer first and then try to read the question. All answers are given, but at the end of the chapter, so that first you are required to take down and then you may verify. You may verify your level of preparation. And for a Factories Act, almost you can see that I have given the 190 MCQs and then the answers. For a one chapter, a 190 MCQ are enough, right? And this is how you can prepare the entire industrial labor general law, right? Here you can see that the chapters are prepared or divided as per the arrangement of the ICSI textbook or modules. So if someone is referring the module along with this book, he won't have any trouble, right? And before the chapter start, for a conveniency, I have given the list of landmark judgments. Almost for every chapter, you will find landmark judgment. Say for example, for a Factories Act, I have given the landmark judgment, what was the name of the judgment or a case, and what was decided or held by the court. In a short, it has been presented so that you can refer it and remember it. It has also been observed that for the last two papers, the ICSI is asking the name of the case study, or by giving the case name, asking that this particular was decided in which of the following cases or case, right? So one should not be ignorant about the landmark judgment. So almost all the landmark judgment are covered chapter wise. You can see it, right? For each and every chapter, almost the 140 landmark judgment are clubbed here. And if you are referring the theory plus landmark judgment plus almost a 2800 MCQ, I am sure that you can clear or pass the exam with the good marks. Not only the good marks, you can get the more than 60 marks and be eligible for exemption. In the last 2 years, almost 2 to 3,000 students have claimed the exemption after referring the book. The highest mark which has been obtained by referring this book is a 93, right? So I am looking forward that somebody cross the 93 and establish a new record and clear the exam successfully. So my best wishes with all of you. The book is available at all the major bookstores. At the same time, the book is also available on the online platform, online website, right? Thank you. Goodbye.